Day, it's a little chilly. Sweater season is out. Not really looking forward to it. I'm ready to be in the heat. But speaking of heat, you know, Ghana countdown. I'm counting my weeks down and I'm still shopping because I will be shipping next week. So I need to get the rest of the stuff that I need to buy, and then I have to start packing. So I actually want to, you know, go through all of that with you guys, show you how I'm packing everything, and then actually show you what I actually bought, because I know the last video I just talked about a few things and where you guys can, you know, buy some of these things like on Amazon and things like that. But I actually want to show you the things that I actually bought and the whole packaging process. So I'm going now to a couple of stores to pick up the last minute stuff, and then by the beginning of next week I'm gonna go buy the boxes and the barrel and then start packing everything together, and then off to the shipper it goes. It usually takes about 6 weeks before it gets to Ghana, so I'm looking forward to that. But yeah, I'm gonna have a whole checklist of things that I bought and the things I think you guys should also buy as well, and where I bought them. Of course, I'll list all of that below. So yeah, so time to go shopping. It's solo shopping today. I don't have my sister or nobody with me, it's just me. So I'm gonna do this real quick, come back home, relax, like I got work later. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy. Leaving Five Below. Let me tell you how Five Below has a lot of little stuff you can buy to decorate and stuff for really cheap. Like, y'all sleeping on Five Below. I've been watching a lot of videos on DIYs and things I can do to like make my guest room look really nice, and a few things that I want to do for my room. So I was checking it out, and a lot of people, so I was checking it out and a lot of people were saying Five Below. So I was like, okay, let me check Five Below. They got some stuff, so I can't wait to show you guys. But I'm gonna head probably to Marshall's or Home Goods, Ross, and then off to the house to start sorting everything out. And it's another beautiful Sunday. Shopping once again. I'm actually here at the African market to buy the barrel. I'm gonna start packing because the shipper is coming to pick up the stuff this week, so I have to get the barrel, try to finish shopping and start packing everything. So yes, we're gonna continue on with the journey, and I'm gonna show you guys what I've been buying and how I'm packing everything together. So I'm using a barrel and I'm using a couple of boxes and stuff to ship. So yeah, I'm here gonna get that real quick and head back home and then start this packing. I'm so excited. But so y'all can see a bunch of stuff here. I have some more stuff in the storage, but today is officially packing day. So the shipper is coming to pick up the barrel and some boxes like the end of this week. So I don't really have time later on, so I just want to do it today. So I'm going to pack all these stuff put in the barrels outside, and then I'm gonna get a few boxes from U-Haul, pack some stuff up. I'm gonna show you how I bubble wrap everything and make sure everything is done perfectly well. So I'm gonna do that, and you guys will see the end result when I'm done. So. So I'm starting to put stuff in the barrel. This is the size that I got, and this was about like $30 at the African market. So I think the barrels literally start between like maybe $20 or $30, and I think the most you probably may pay is like $40, $50. You shouldn't pay no more than that. Now, in order to send this whole thing, the shippers, they usually charge anywhere from like $130 to maybe $180, and that would depend on what state you in and how much that shipper charges. So my shipper is charging $150, so that's like in between all those prices. So which is still a pretty decent price, and most importantly is how you pack. So if you pack really well, you will be able to get a lot of stuff in there, and that's the goal for today. I want to pack as much as I can in there so I have fewer boxes, because I already have boxes that I bought things from IKEA. So I don't want to have additional boxes, like too many additional boxes to add on to that, because they're going to charge you for each item that you're sending. So the goal is to get as much as possible. How I start packing, I usually take a few used clothes. So I have a bunch of used clothes here, and I lay that in the bottom as my foundation to protect, my stuff. Because I do have some glass bottles and things like that, so I will like bubble wrap some of those things. And then I've wrapped most of my stuff in like supermarket bags, like the food items. My advice to you is, like, when you're packing and you have stuff that are in big boxes, like the bulk stuff that I bought from like Sam's Club or Costco or anything like that, take them out the boxes, and it reduces the weight, and you have a little more space to put more stuff inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and start laying the clothes first, then I'm gonna lay some of the food, and then I'm gonna lay some clothes again. Then I have like some sneakers that I'm gonna put inside. So all of that, I'm gonna try to, lay it properly and pack it well, so I can get as much as possible in here, so I won't have to go buy another one. So yes, that's the goal. So I'm gonna start that now. You have to be careful, because some canned goods, with the pressure and of too many things piling up, they might bust and stuff. So you got to be really, really particular about what you're dropping in and how you packing everything. So it's really, really important. But I'm gonna start putting some of the bags that I've packed up already. So this is how I've bagged everything.
I'll sing you loud
another piece of advice is, there's stuff that is really, really valuable. I suggest that you put them like from the bottom to the middle. I'm sorry to say, but this has happened to my mom before, shipping stuff, and she had some really, like, maybe some towels or something that she had on the top, and when you get to the port, sometimes they open your barrel. They pick randomly on what barrel they want to open, so maybe yours you don't want to open. And they did steal some stuff from the barrel. So my suggestion is to put used clothes at the top to cover your stuff. So don't put anything that can easily be grabbed out and you won't notice. So like how I've packed all my little bags and stuff, I wouldn't want to put some of them on the top because it can easily be taken out and you probably won't even notice. But me, I write everything down that I bought, so I know what's in my barrel. So if anything gets stolen or anything, I will tell the shipper like, hey, this was taken out and I want to replace, basically. So that's really, really important. So don't put anything valuable on the top of the barrel. So I managed to get a lot of stuff in there. Trust me, it goes deep. And I still have these. And I'm gonna get a box for all this stuff. But yeah, so I did get like big gallons of soap, dish soap. This is like shampoo, conditioner, bathing soap, candles. I got some sheets, some comforter sets, quilts, some trays, some IKEA stuff that I got. Gotta have my wig kit. Got a table. And show y'all what I have in the closet. So in the closet, I got a bed frame from IKEA. I got some pillows. I got a carpet. This is like a TV stand and I think a ornament. I got my sound bar. Got a little mini iron board and stuff. So yeah, so all these I'm gonna leave them as it is, and the rest of them I'm gonna put them in the box. So I have to make a trip to U-Haul to get the boxes. I might get either one big box or maybe two like mini boxes. And I'm pretty much done. So it's just left to have this stuff picked up and off to Ghana. And this should be in Ghana probably like first week in December, maybe second week in December. So definitely I'm getting it before Christmas. So I'm excited about that. And yeah, so that's pretty much. Packing actually wasn't too bad. I thought it would be way more tiring and more stuff. But now that I put everything together, it's actually really not that bad. So I'm glad about that. And that's literally my whole life that I'm moving to Ghana right now. So previously I did ship some stuff, so it's not so much now, but it's still a good amount that has to be sent over, and I'm ready, pretty much ready for Ghana. It's just countdown to get on this flight and get my butt down there. So yes, I'm excited about that. And yeah, so that's really packing day for me today. I will list some items below where I bought them from and things like that, because I know some of you guys are asking, where did you get this from? Where did you get this from? So I'll just go ahead and just list where I got most of my stuff from. And yeah, most importantly, take what you feel like, you know, that you might miss, that you might not get right away when you get to Ghana. If you are, you know, if you like specific brands, go ahead and buy what you want. Look, I'm pretty much taking the whole America with me to Ghana, and I just want to be comfortable. You know, I want to be comfortable. I want to be able to have access to the things that I had here and not searching all over in the market and stuff to go buy it. So that's why I buy, you know, a lot of food stuff and things that I'm really pretty much gonna miss. So that's pretty much it for packing and stuff. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. And if you have any other questions, let me know. Shoot me my DMs on Instagram or write a comment below, and I'll try to answer as much as possible, guys. So that's moving day. I'm so excited. So it's just left for the shipper to pick it up, and we're good to go. And your girl's heading off to Ghana. So I'll holler at you guys later. Hey guys, the guys have finally moved in, so we're gonna do this quick empty apartments where they do have a few stuff inside, so it's not completely empty, but it's mostly empty. They're getting a lot of stuff delivered later on today, so, and I have to run, so I just want to do this quick tour for you guys to see. So let's check it out.
Welcome to my crib.
Girl, bye. It's not your crib. Alright. This is the utility. Okay, it's a walk-in closet. When you first walk in, the guest bathroom. Where's the bathroom? Look at this shower. It's fancy. You can do a lot of things in there. Girl, bye. Literally right into this. Nice view outside. 2 balconies. So that was a quick tour of the new place. We're gonna help them set up and stuff, and I'm excited for them. I wish I was moving here. But yeah, just a quick little mini vlog of the new place, and I'm gonna show you guys at the end how everything looks. Probably by the end of this week or something, then we'll see how everything looks. But I gotta get out of here, and I'll talk to you guys later.